Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you guys a round raised bed that I purchased from Amazon. I'm actually going to show you here some clips of my daughter putting it together. It's really easy to put together, very affordable. I believe I paid about $45 for the set of two. They are a foot high and the bottoms are open. So you just set this thing on the ground and get your soil in there and start planting. It's very similar to my oval raised bed that sits right outside this window. So I wanted to get another set of them, but not quite as big, just something I can pop into some smaller spaces. I don't know where I'm going to put it just yet. I'm rearranging quite a few things in the garden. So as I clean things up, I'll figure out where I'm going to put these two, but I do believe I'm going to use them for vegetables. So let's take a look here. Ivy is putting this thing together pretty much by herself. Her dad and I did give her some verbal directive as she was working on it, but I believe she spent about 18 minutes just to do one. The second one, she went through it really quickly. It didn't take her much time because of course now she knew what she was doing. There are no tools necessary. They have wing nuts, so you just twist them on and you hold it with a screwdriver. So very simple if you're looking for a cheap alternative to some of the really nice raised beds. They are metal, they come in several different colors, and I think you guys should give them a try. So that's really all that there is to putting these things together. Like I said, it's a set of 2, cost about $45 on Amazon. You guys can check them out, try them in your garden, let me know what you think. I think that they will hold up pretty well. The original one that I have, the oval one, has been in the garden now for about 5 months, and I'm not even seeing any rust yet. We get a lot of rain in the summer, so it's been through the gamut of everything weather could throw at it, and it's still painted nicely, still holding up well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.